Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is IoT based smart agricultural monitoring system and pump on and off. So in this project we are using a 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and here we are using Arduino Uno R3 board. We are using three sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor. Those are connected with A0, A1 and A2. So these are the three sensors, and the output units are the if there is no soil moisture, and the pump should be on. If soil moisture detected, pump should be off. So there should be an app. So agricultural field pump on off, temperature monitoring, humidity monitoring, and soil moisture. So we can see the data onto the sheet also. Okay. So 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So GPRS modem, SIM 800, SIM 900A we are using. So RX, TX 0 and 1. Alarm is connected to the 6th pin. Okay. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one GSM SIM 900A module we are using. So press down, lock will be open. Slowly insert the SIM card. So you can insert the SIM card: Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. And after that, insert the SIM card. Press down, open it, press it and lock it. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 regulator, 1 LED, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, and relay coil, small pump power supply, and alarm, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor. Smart agricultural field monitoring system, IoT solution, soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, GSM testing, connected, echo, finding network found, and we are getting the SMS alerts. So field temperature high, okay, and we are getting the email alerts. Okay, so like no moisture at field, pump on, high temperature alert, and a humidity alert also came, water detected or water not detected. And if you press the link, and it will open the index page. So finding network, so network not came. Okay, so this is network LED. So we need to observe the network LED. GSM module, power supply board, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, moisture sensor, alarm, SPDT relay coil, AC pump, Arduino Uno R3 board. CGATT. GPRS start, GPRS main,